एवरीवन, वेलकम टू मायरा एंड मम। आई होप आप सब ठीक हो। आज समायरा का रिवीजन हो रहा है, जैसे कि इसके क्लास में से यस उसे पढ़ाया गया है ऑर्डर प्रॉपर्टी। तो हम आपको क्विकली इसका रिवीजन देंगे। प्रॉपर टी वाई, यस वेरी गुड। सो है ऑर्डर प्रॉपर्टी, अंडरलाइन इट।
Order property.
So what do you understand by order property, Samaira?
I want to give you one example.
Okay.
Example, this is 2 times 8.
Okay.
So what's 2 times 8?
What's 2 times 8?
Tell.
You tell.
16.
Yes, very good.
2 times 8, 16. 8
Hmm.
times 2 is 16.
Okay.
I took 8 first and 2 second.
Right.
But same answers.
Okay, very good. So order property is only applicable to addition
And multiplication.
Can you do it on subtraction?
No.
Why?
Because, see, 5 minus 8. Can we do this? Form works after 8, 8, 9. We could do this. 8 minus 5.
Yes.
Because form works after 5, 5, 6, 7, 8. Form works after 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yes.
3 is the answer, but we can't do this. Form works after 8, 8, 9, 10. Where will 5 come?
Because this is the bigger number. Always for subtraction, you should have the first bigger number. So this property, order property, थोड़े लोग इसको commutative property भी बोलते हैं. So this property is only useful for kids to understand. जैसे कि समायरा ने बताया है कि if you jumble the numbers vice versa 2 cross 8 और 8 cross 2, you will get the same answer. तो इसको हम कहते हैं order property. ये property बच्चों को aptitude exam आगे चलकर बड़े एग्जामों में काम में आता है. Like a plus b is equals to b plus a cross b is equals to b cross a. इसका ऑर्डर प्रॉपर्टी का समझ है. लेकिन अभी बच्चों को ये a प्लस बी हम अल्फ़ाबेट्स या न्यूमेरिक ऑर्डर में समझाएंगे तो दे विल नॉट अंडरस्टैंड. एक्चुअली दिस प्रॉपर्टी इज द सेम प्रॉपर्टी विच इज ओनली एप्लीकेबल फॉर एडिशन एंड मल्टीप्लिकेशन. सो फॉर नाउ क्लास 1 के लिए हम बच्चों को ये प्रॉपर्टी सिखाएंगे जो कि है ऑर्डर प्रॉपर्टी, जहाँ पे 2 plus 3 will give you 5. If you vice versa the number, you will also get 5. तो बच्चों को इस तरीके के ब्लैंक्स आएंगे जहाँ पे they will give 2 plus 10 is equals to 12. Then 10 plus 2 is how much? Samara, can you do this? Using this order property, don't use calculation. See, I gave here 2 plus 10 is equals to 12. Then
2 plus 10 is equal to 10. 10 plus 2
is it order property? So how much answer?
12.
Will you count? No. No, right? So how did you get 12?
10, 11, 12.
Yes. Mama has already given you here with the help of order property. 2 plus 10 is 12. Then 10 plus 2 is also
12.
So this is the use of order property. अभी बच्चे लोग लिखते हैं उनके हॉर्स ओलम्पियाड के एग्जाम्स, इन सब में ऐसे तरीके के क्वेश्चंस आते हैं विच इज़ वेरी यूजफुल फॉर एप्टीट्यूड. बच्चों के जो भी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स होते हैं उन सब के लिए. तो समायरा का क्लास वर्क देखेंगे जहाँ पे मैम ने उससे कुछ सम्स कराए हैं. सो इट विल बी यूजफुल फॉर यू गाइज. So first order property of addition we are doing. What is this? Can you explain?
Addition.
Yeah.
So this is 6 plus 2 is 8. But you take this front and this back.
Okay.
So we jumble it.
Yeah.
However we jumble it, like 6 plus 2, we jumble it to 2 plus 6. It will be the same answer. That is first.
So for now we are explaining them with 2 numbers. Later numbers increase होंगे, so they have to just find out and explain it in the same way that they are the same number, so they'll get the same answer with the help of order property. So these are few examples. If you wish आप एक screenshot लेकर बच्चों को ये करवा सकते हो. You can just give this and ask what is the answer so that they will put order property. उनको ख्याल आएगा कि 6 plus 2 is 8. Without counting, how will you give the answer? 2 plus 6. Then they will put the order property in place wherein already इसका answer 8 है. So the numbers are same which are jumbled. The answer will be 8. So same goes with the order property for multiplication. 2 times 3 is 6. So 3 times 2 is also
6.
okay. 5 times 4
Shall I
is
show
20.
them something?
Yes.
See, I want to show you something. Today I did order property test. I don't know where I wrote it. I don't know.
Here.
Oh, this is order property test.
Yes.
This PW.
Yes, PW.
What is
So
order
समायरा
property
ऑर्डर
test?
प्रॉपर्टी स्कूल में टेस्ट भी हुआ है जहाँ पे 12 plus 6 is 18, then 6 plus 2 is also 18. No need to calculate. यही आंसर सेम नंबर है, सेम आएगा. तो इस तरीके से they
Even
have
you
to
guys.
utilize their brain and understand
You guys.
and give answer using
We did this,
order
right?
property. Yes, we'll make a different video for that. So I hope आपको ये order property समझ में आई है. आपके बच्चों को भी आप समझाइए, which is very useful for grade 1 to understand. You all have a very good day. Please share, subscribe, and press the bell icon.
And also, we want to reach 2 million subscribers to get that YouTuber thing. Please subscribe, please.
Okay, you all have a good day. Bye bye.
Bye.